Wake up, wake up, you have found me in my prison of peaceful solitude. I am very proud for what you have accomplished. A journey of trials and nightmares from which you have escaped. You are awake now. Things are not as they appear to be. For I don't know what you are. I don't know what I am. A man? Perhaps. But my purpose is clear. To show you the truth. There will be no more levels. Just kidding. Your journey must continue. Farewell, friend.